So today we'll discuss a story. The name of the story is The Lazy Girl. So let's go to the story. Like in a city, in a town, a father and like he has two wives. But first wife was died. Like she has one daughter. Like the man's and the late wife have one daughter. And after the late wife died, he married another woman. Like they both also have a daughter, but like the stepmother will be right, like for her first daughter, like she's a diligent girl, like means like an intelligent girl and an active girl. And the man who married second person, like but then the daughter is so lazy, like she don't want to she always want to do, like she always want to be relaxed. So she never bothered about any work. But the stepmother, like the second woman, would always give work for the first woman's daughter, like for the diligent girl, but she's not used to give for the lazy girl, like for her daughter. Like after, like, yeah, the diligent girl was working, but the father can't say it because she's the first daughter. Like first daughter means like always the father will have a love on her, like a special love on her, right? So he can't see with his eyes about all the him, but all the work done by her, and that lazy girl will be fat and like because laziness will become fat, right? Like not only like that. So the other lazy girl, like doesn't do any work, like she don't like to do. So the father said that, like, we'll go off from here. So but the father said that, but the diligent girl said that, no father, till now he took care of me, like I'll take care of you in the same house. So her father also said, okay, it's your wish. So then she started. So her father showed her a good, like for a diligent girl, her father showed a good house to do work. So while going, a oven came near her, like full of dust. So it said that, like to clean it. So it's a clean experiment. So and again it went near a tree, like it is so dried up. So it said that, I please do watering. Next it went near it went near a dog. So it's like a dirty, like it's like dirty. So the dog said that, please wash, like please clean. So it took the dog near the river and cleaned it. Next it went to the kingdom. There were six fairies. They said that, do work in the whole house, like cleaning and sweeping, but don't go to the seventh room. Yeah, she said that, okay. Like she carried on her work. Then she carried on her work. But she did for several years in that. But she was not that much eager. Like some of people will be eager, right? Like why did not said to go to seventh room? Like like they were not eager, right, to find whether it is or not. So like again they went near the door, and they had said that, so one of the so went near the door. So after working for several years, the fairies came near the diligent girl and said that, what, you are not even eager to go to seventh room, why? Then the diligent girl said that, my father told to do a duty, so that's why I had done it. So else I won't interfere in any other things. So next, like while going to the house, like after taking some of the leaves, while some of the rest, so then the for her, the tree gave her wine, and the coven had also given her cake. So even she also has some fruits. Then she came off to the girl and she earned a lot of money. Learned a lot of money, and she gave to her father. Next, her mother said that, yeah, now, like even the stepmother has said that, yeah, now my daughter, like the lazy girl, is is a good girl, and I'll send her to the work. Like she would also earn more money than the diligent girl. Then she had sent her. While going, she saw a woman, like she did not repair it. Next, she went to a tree. The tree asked the lazy girl to water the tree, but it didn't. But she didn't. Uh, Next the daisy girl went near the dog. The dog was so dirty. So the dog said that, please clean me. But she didn't. And finally she went near the kingdom. So for the first again, fairy said, don't go to the seventh room. Yeah, she said that, okay, and she did for some days. And later she was so eager. To do all the things. And so she said that, okay, no, I don't. I want to see the room urgently. So she opened the door, and all the honeybees came from inside. So finally she said that. uh, finally like it had said that like again she ran away from them, but the honeybees were following it, like they were full biting her. And later a dog also bited her, but even she asked her help from a tree, but it didn't. And it also asked a cake from the oven, but it didn't, because she didn't help them, right? So why she had to? So they have said that okay, I'll leave. And next they have so after seeing coming to the house, they had so many people, and they like after coming to the after coming to the place, like they saw the her daughter, like lazy daughter, and it was full of violence, which is the whole story. Then they both apologized for their mistake, and they became a set, right? And the moral of the story is like we should not be lazy. We should face every and every situation, and we should also help the other people like who are helping us. And we must be kind to everyone. Thank you.